India, a place where eminent writers are threatened on a daily basis. May it be Arundhati Roy? Or now, the latest professor, Kancha Ilaiah. The event can lead to yet another crucifixion of a Dalit. As the war between Brahmins and Dalits is heating up all over India. A book titled Post-Hindu India was first published almost 10 years ago in English, and now with Hindi edition highlighting the agony of Muslims, Dalits, Sikhs, Christians, and glamour of Brahmins, which is certainly possessed by every Brahmins, a license to kill Dalit. India is burning, and the world has surrendered in front of Brahmanism. This surrender of international community will now lead to killing of millions of Muslims, Dalits, Sikhs, and Christians. It must be stopped before it happens.